Hello, my dear students. In this lecture, we are going to see one previous year GATE numerical. This question was asked in GATE 2010 for 2 marks. Basically, this question was asked to find heat transfer rate through the insulated tip fin. Now, let us understand the question. The question is, a fin has 5 mm diameter and 100 mm length. Now, the fin has 5 mm diameter means it is a pin fin. So, my dear students, let us say we have base wall. To this base wall, the fin is attached like this. And this will be our fin. And my dear students, this will be our base wall. Right. Now, base wall will be at temperature T naught. Right. We generally derive this formula. This base wall is at temperature T naught. Right. Now, in this fin, there is a conduction, simultaneously convection also. There is a surrounding fluid at temperature T infinity and convective transfer coefficient EH. And here, this fin will be having diameter D. This fin will be having diameter D and length L. Right. Length L is also given. Right. Now, my dear students, for this pin fin, here 5 mm diameter is given and 100 mm length is given. Therefore, diameter is equal to 5 mm, which is nothing but 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter. Length is given 100 mm, which is nothing but 0.1 meter. Right. Then the thermal conductivity of fin material is 400 watt per meter square. Sorry, 400 watt per meter Kelvin. Right. It is thermal conductivity of fin material. This fin material will be having thermal conductivity K, which is given 400 watt per meter Kelvin. Then one end of the fin is maintained at 130 degrees Celsius. That is this end. Base wall temperature is given. T naught is given here. Right. Therefore, one end of the fin is maintained at 130 degrees Celsius and its remaining surface is exposed to the ambient air at 30 degrees Celsius. Means surrounding fluid temperature is given. Therefore, my dear students, here base wall temperature T naught is given 130 degrees Celsius and surrounding fluid T infinity is given 30 degrees Celsius. Then, if the convective heat transfer coefficient is 40 watt per meter square Kelvin, that is EH value is given. Here, convective heat transfer coefficient EH is 40 watt per meter square Kelvin. Then, the heat loss in watt from the fin is. Now, what is the heat loss from the fin? That we have to find in watt. Right. Now, my dear students, let us solve this question. Here we have written everything, all the data. I will tell you answer. Let us pause the video and try to find this answer. Now, the answer for this question will be option B, that is 5 watt. Now, here I am going to delete this question. That's why I have mentioned the option. Right. So let us delete this question. We will get sufficient space for the solution. Now let us solve this question. Now, my dear students, we know that the heat transfer through the fin, if I assume as an insulated tip, fin, if nothing is mentioned in the question, always we have to assume the fin with insulated tip. Therefore, it is a question of fin with insulated tip. Insulated tip. Right. If nothing is mentioned, always we have to assume this condition. Right. Now, my dear students, here this tip is insulated. This side, this tip is insulated. Right. Now here, for this case, the formula to find heat transfer through the fin is nothing but under root of HPKA, and outside this root, HPKA, outside this root, T naught minus T infinity tan hyperbolic ML. This is a formula to find heat transfer through the fin. Right. Very simple formula. Generally you have to remember this formula. Right. Under root HPKA T naught minus T infinity tan hyperbolic ML, where H is convective heat transfer coefficient, which is given. P is perimeter of this fin. Right. P is a perimeter. Let us find this P. P is perimeter, which is nothing but pi d. Therefore, is equal to, if I find this perimeter, which is pi d, pi into diameter is 5 into 10 to the power minus 3. Right. This will be the perimeter in meter. Then K is the thermal conductivity of fin material, which is given. A is the cross section area of this fin. Now, can I say this fin is a pin fin, therefore cross section will be circular. Right. Therefore, the circular area is nothing but area will be pi by 4 d square, which is nothing but pi by 4 into diameter is 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 whole square. Right. This will be meter square. This is the area. Right. Now, T naught is given, that is base wall temperature. T infinity is given, that is 30 degrees Celsius. tan hyperbolic function. This h is hyperbolic function. L is a length of fin. L is a length of fin. Now m is nothing but this m we have to calculate. This m is nothing but we have seen this m is equal to under root hp divided by ka. This is a formula to find this m. Therefore under root h is nothing but, let us find this m first. H is 40, perimeter is pi into 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 divided by thermal conductivity is 400 into k into area is pi by 4 into 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 whole square. Right, this will be under root. So if I calculate this m, I will get m value as 8.97. It is per meter. M is per meter. Right, that already we have seen in theory lectures. Here again no need to derive this unit. Right, this will be the h value, m value. Now once you calculate this m, let us put this m here and find the heat transfer through the fin. Right, so my dear students, here I am going to put this value in heat transfer through the fin. Therefore q through the fin, which is nothing but under root hp ka into t naught minus t infinity tan hyperbolic function ml. Right, so my dear students, here let us put the values. Right, if I put all values, then answer will be here. Let us put the values and solve this question. Therefore is equal to under root, here h is nothing but h is given 40. Right, h is given 40 into perimeter we have calculated pi into 10 pi into 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 into thermal conductivity is 400 into area is pi by 4 into 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 whole square. Outside of this root, T naught is base wall temperature, which was given 130. T infinity is surrounding fluid temperature, and the surrounding fluid temperature is given 30 into tan hyperbolic function. M we have calculated 8.97 into length of fin is given 0.1. Let us check the given data. Length of fin is 0.1. Right. Now, my dear students, in this question only heat transfer through the fin is unknown, and the answer will be in watt only. So here the calculation is lengthier, but it is simple calculation. Right. If I calculate this heat transfer through the fin, I will get 4.99 watt, which is approximately equal to 5 watt. Therefore here your answer is 5 watt. Thank you dear students. In next lecture we will see one more numerical on this topic which was asked in previous year GATE examination.